Welcome back. My name is Dr. Carl Baird, and today I'll be demonstrating an easy way to get from the floor to a standing position. So a lot of people that I work with, this is one of their major concerns, especially when they get into the 50, 60, 70-year-old range. Maybe they're starting to have grandkids and they're starting to realize that getting on the floor to play with the grandkids and back to a standing position is a lot harder than it used to be. And so again, the best thing you can do for that is improve mobility and build strength to perform those positions, but that takes time. So in the meantime, while you're improving mobility and while you're improving strength, this is a little trick that I teach my clients to get from the floor to a standing position. And so let's say here I am starting on the floor. All we're going to do is try to shift ourselves into a little bit of a high plank position. So I'm going to do both hands on the floor, both feet out behind me. I'm going to shift into this down dog position, and then you can either walk your hands or walk your feet up and stand on up. So I'll do that once again. Again, you're playing on the ground, you're playing with your grandkids, two hands on the floor, feet behind you, press through your hands to shift your feet up, walk those feet together, and stand on up. So there you have it. There's an easy way to get from the ground to the floor as you continue to build the strength and mobility to do this more comfortably. That's all I got for you today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, it's Dr. Baird here. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube page to catch all our videos designed to help you build the strength and confidence to live active, healthy, and happy lives. You won't find it anywhere else.